Hello, my friends. This is Mrs. DLC. I am so happy that you decided to stop and spend some time with me on this video, but you won't be disappointed because how could you be? We're going to talk about the Maggie Small. She is adorable. And you're talking about functionality, you get all the functionality here. And this is coming from someone who loves carrying big bags. I am a Boston style, speedy style bag. I'm always carrying those bags because they carry so much for me. But I am trying to carry smaller bags, and she did not disappoint. So we're going to go through. I did a video, just kind of a test run on what kind of accessories I can put in here. But I actually carried her. I carried her for 2 days, and I'm going to talk about what really worked with me carrying Miss Maggie Small. Small but mighty. Okay, look at her in all her glory. She is the deep blue, the coated canvas signature Coach. You have this. I purchased this separately. This is from Amazon. And then on the side, I'll talk about that a little later. That's my keychain. Of course, it didn't come with the bag. She has top handles, and she also has a crossbody strap. And I carried her one day, top handle only. The second day, I used the crossbody strap. So let me just jump into it. What fits? Oh, before I do that, welcome everyone. Oh my gosh. If you're new here, thank you for coming. If you are already a subscriber, appreciate you. Thanks for coming back. All right. So taking it from the top, I'm going to show you what that looks like. Now, I thought I was not going to like this, the zipper on the top, because with smaller bags it gets in the way, but it didn't bother me at all. Surprisingly, it did not bother me. Day one, I carried her. Let's think. I carried her when I had to run some errands, did some light grocery shopping, picked up some cleaner items from the cleaners, went to the car wash, those sorts of errands, and I carried her top handle doing that because I was in and out, in and out, in and out of the car, and she worked wonderfully. So, what do we have? This is what she looks like packed. I have this soft case. This is a pencil pouch from Coach in the signature canvas, but I used her as a sunglass case. And the reason I did that is because I do have a hard case, but it's not flexible enough for this. And I was able to use this and still have room for some of the other items in my bag. So this worked out really well. And there was enough room, if you can see that, there's enough room if I wanted to put anything else in here, I could do that. But I just had my sunglasses, that's it. And I also had this, which I left unzipped because it was easy for me to get in and out of if I needed to. A zip pouch. I had in here an oil. I also had hand sanitizer. Had a little pack of tissues. What else? A little Burt Bees here. A Fenty lip gloss. I have a little tube of lotion and a tweezer. And that's all I had in here. And then I had, this is new for me. If you saw my other video, this is the first time I've purchased a small wallet. I am a long wallet girly. I'm always getting long wallets. I just don't like my bills like folded up. But this worked well. I did not use, because this snaps off the card part, I did not, I kept this together intact. So my ID, some cards here. I had a zipper part for some change, and also receipts. If I had some receipts, I would stuff them down in here. So that worked well. the inside of this, I had some cards, and then this allows for some bills here. So I was able to carry this. So I will invest in some other smaller wallets. I can't think off the top of my head what this is called. I don't know, some kind of two-way card wallet. I don't know, but I will invest in some others. Then I had, oh, did I tell you out here? This is where I carried my AirPods. And I wanted to carry out, I generally have a little pouch that I can carry my AirPods because I reach for these probably more than anything else in my bag because someone's always calling me. I have to pick up the phone and I don't like to be on speaker while I am in public. I also had my charger, this bank that has the three different connectors here so I can charge my device. And I have my Coach key holder to hold my key, my auto key. I also have my dental pouch for my retainer. And anything else I get? That's all I have, but I do have the strap. So I had that in the back of in the zipper part. And like I said, I carried this the second day with a strap. And I had this on the opposite side. This is my keychain. I love this little fluffy thing. And I have my keys to like my storage unit, locks. And that's all I had in here. So the second day, I had fun with the grandkids. I was at my grandson's football game. I was with my beautiful granddaughter. I have a 1-month-old granddaughter. So I was able to spend some time with her. So I wasn't top handle carrying. I was crossbodying because I needed to be hands free when it comes to the grands. And so this, it did it. It worked for me. Now, I could stay in her longer. I really could. I can stay in her longer, but I am forcing myself to try some of the other bags. So she is one of a very few smaller bags that I have. I do have another one that's coming in, which is smaller than this. So I don't think I'm going to be as satisfied. I don't know. We'll see. I'm not going to jump the gun. But this is a keeper. This Maggie Small. Now, I do have two Maggie Larges, but I use those when I'm carrying my laptop and other accessories. But this one, she is definitely, she can be an everyday carrier. And she rocked with me those 2 days. And I think I'm going to do well. I think I'm going to do well with being able to switch out bags more often. Let me know what your key is. What is your key to making certain that you're using all the bags in your collection? Because I'm going to try my best in 2026 to go through many of them because I'm just a stickler. If something works, I love it so much. And because I get a whole lot of matching accessories, sometimes it takes a minute to switch out. So I'm just trying different things so that I do give most of the bags in my collection, as many as I can, some love. All right, thank you all for joining. And if you're in the market for the Maggie Small, I say 10 out of 10. Go ahead and get you one. I think you would love it. And I will see you next time. But listen, a full video on just kind of a walkthrough is all, it's in my, I have a video uploaded already so you can see that, and I'll post it here. All right, thank you all, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for joining and hanging out with me.